How to install Voicemod voice changer. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am about to guide you to install Voicemod voice changer on your PC. It's super simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up a browser. You can use any browser that you want. Once you're here in the search bar, you need to type Voicemod. Then you need to press enter. Once you do that, make sure you click on the first link that appears, that is from Voicemod, that says voicemod.net. Simply click on that. Now you're here, you can see the download for free option. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. Now you need to simply go ahead and save the Voicemod installer. Once it has been done, you need to simply go ahead and open it. Now you need to go ahead and select the language. Let's keep the language English. Simply click on OK. Now this will open up the setup of the Voicemod. You need to simply click on next. Then you need to click on I accept the agreement, and then you need to click on next again. Once you do that, you need to select the files where you want to download the Voicemod. Then you need to click on next again. Then you need to again click on next. Then finally you need to click on install. Now you need to simply click on finish. And as you can see that the Voicemod app is now installed in your PC or computer. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.